To customize lock screen on a Samsung A36 5G, you will have to start by opening settings, and right now you will have to scroll down and go into wallpaper and style. Then you will have to select lock screen. And right now, let's start from the bottom of the screen. So right here we can add quick actions, the quick shortcuts. You can, for example, turn some actions like flashlight, or you can turn on some specific apps. If you are often using camera, then you can add this shortcut right here. Now we can also add widgets, so you can view some information straight from your lock screen, like for example from Samsung Health, this one. And you can add up to 4 small 1x1 widgets. You can also remove them by clicking on the minus. Then by tapping here, we can adjust clock size and overall clock style. We can make it bigger or smaller, or for example move the clock around the screen. Then when we swipe up, we can change font of the clock. As you can see here, we can find multiple fonts, and we can even download them. By clicking here, we can even change boldness of this clock, and we can change color. Even we can get the multiple colors. When we go for the style, we can for sure change clock style, so we can get this classic clock if you want. And additionally, you can show the weather information and show date above the clock or under. And you can click done. And for sure, you can also change wallpaper of your lock screen by clicking here. Thanks for watching.